back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP ProBook 6560 out here. Talking about HP ProBook series, we can say that ProBook series was really an amazing version. Reason being because ProBook series was basically designed for the corporate world out here. Along with that, you will find that ProBook series is a medium designed HD resolution and a budgeted gadget out here. Yes, this is the most budgeted medium size, like it is not very wide sized or very small size, we can say, or medium sized gadget. Along with that great specification, HD resolution, everything could be seen out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the corporate world gadgets out there, which are ProBook series. They usually have the Intel Core system out there with a technology of security system. And if we talk about the security, then the first thing which comes out to be in the ProBook series or the entire HP series is the TPM 1.2 security chip system. Yes, you will find TPM security chip system of 1.2 with most of the gadgets in ProBook use mostly, we can say 90% of the ProBook gadgets use Intel Core system out there. So now let us talk about the processing system out there. Talking about the processor, we can say that it offers you a processor or the we can say core system out there. It's by Intel Core i5 up to second generation. Yes, Intel Core i5 second generation processor is being seen. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you 2.3 gigahertz base clock speed. So 2.3 gigahertz base clock speed could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to see max turbo speed. Yes, it offers you a max turbo speed of 2.9 gigahertz. So overall, if you talk about then 2.3 gigahertz base speed, max turbo speed of 2.9 gigahertz could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that number of cores out here is dual core system. You get to have a dual core processing system out here, which is really a good version. Talking about this dual core system, then we can say that the internal system out there or the operating system based out on this is the operating system of Windows. Yes, Windows operating system of 64 bytes can be seen out here. Along with that, you get to see a chip system of Mobile Intel Express, that is HM65. So overall, it has got a good processor. It is using a chip system, which is Mobile Intel Express chip system. It's really good. But if we talk about the additional factors, then it has got Intel Turbo Boost technology. So Intel Turbo Boost technology could be seen out in this variant, which is really a good version. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers you a great range of specifications. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you some amazing featuring, not just in the looks, but in the internal storage also. Talking about the storage, let us talk about the cache memory first. And talking about the cache memory, then we can say that it offers you a cache memory of L3 type. Yes, L3 type cache memory could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to see an installed size of 3 MB. Yes, 3 MB is the installed size or the installed cache memory offered out by this gadget. So you get to have a good cache memory of L3 type or screening of 3 MB out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can see that this variant out here offers you a RAM or the random accessory memory, which is 4 GB. So installed RAM is constant out here, which is 4 GB RAM out there. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you a single configuration. Yes, it offers you a single configuration of 1 GB out here. Yes, a single configuration of 1 GB. Along with that, you also get to see a rated memory speed or the memory speed of 1333 gigahertz. Yes. So 1333 gigahertz memory speed could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to have an installed size of 4 GB. So overall, it is a very good version gadget out there. Talking about this variant, then we can see it has got a good interface with the storage, but 4 GB is not sufficient in the ProBook series because it's a corporate world gadget, obviously. So it has got a maximum support size also. So offering you a maximum support size of 16 GB. So it offers you a maximum support size of 16 GB. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you the same functionalities with the external storage out there, that is the DDR3 type RAM, 1333 megahertz batch speed out there. It has got two slotations, so definitely it's going to be amazing version out there. Now let us talk about the variant, talking about this variant, then we can say that RAM quality does not alone means that it is going to have all the working. Like RAM alone does not define the storage. Hard drive along with it is me determining it. And talking about the hard drive, then we can say that it offers you a good range of specification in the hard drive storage because it is offering you 320 GB capacity. Yes, 320 GB internal capacity of hard drive could be seen out with HDD type. Yes, HDD type internal hard drive capacity could be seen. Along with that, spindle speed of 7200 RPM could be seen out. Yes, spindle speed or the rated speed out for the hard drive is 7200 RPM. We know that displays, everything works well. But we know specifically about HP, that's the plus point in all the series, in the entire HP series, not just the ProBook, EliteBook, any other, but HP entire series, that it offers you gadgets which can work in the environmental harsh condition also. So they design their gadgets keeping mind in all the parameters which are in the environment. Now talking about this gadget, let us talk about the display. Talking about the display size, it offers you 39.6 centimeter screen size. Yes, it is offering you a display of 39.6 centimeters with a screen or the display of LED backlight HD anti-glance. So what is this? It offers you HD resolution out here. Yes, the resolution offered out is HD, that is 1366 into 768. So you get to have a good HD resolution. Monitor featuring of anti-glance could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you LED backlight. Yes, it is offering you LED backlight out here. Along with that, if you talk about the display only, then it is the LED display out here. No backlight. That's the technology of used out with the backlight or the LED screen. Now we have talked about the screening. It is offering you LED backlight HD glance display out there. We have talked about screen size of 39.6 centimeters. What about the output it is producing? Because the output is in collaboration with the graphics. Now let us talk about the graphical part. Talking about the graphics, then we can say that it offers you Intel HD Graphics 3000. Yes, Intel HD Graphics 3000 could be seen out here. Along with that, it offers you a memory technology, that is the dynamic video memory technology. So you get to have Intel HD graphics with a memory technology of dynamic video memory. But when we talk about laptops, does this also offers you integrated webcam? Yes, it is offering you integrated webcam with a good resolution, capture resolution, stereotype speakers, stereotype microphones out here. Along with that, a good audio productivity out there. So the audio quality is really good out here. Apart from these things, you get to see that this gadget out here offers you a great range of specifications with the connectors. Now, what are these connectors? These are like USB connectors, USB 2 or 3 type connector, audio input output jack connectors, power connectors, SD card reading connectors, or the internal connectors like the Bluetooth connecting or Wi-Fi connecting, hotspot connecting, any of the connections out there. Once these connections are checked, they are offering you a great range of connections. Along with that, you get to have a DVD write-up connectors, that is the optical drive connectivity. It is offering you a removable optical drive connectivity along with it. So overall, all kind of connections could be seen out on this variant. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the battery life also, because battery plays an important role. Talking about the battery, then we can say that it offers you 6 cell lithium ion 55 volts battery. Yes, 6 cell lithium ion 55 volts battery. So overall, it has got a good specifications, good range of products, everything is good. But does it come in a pocketable rate? Because ProBook series is a budgeted gadget out here. So let us talk about the pricing. And for pricing, do visit out this website, that is just at click.com. Yes, this website offers you your gadgets in most affordable and the best market price. Yes, you get to have your products in the best to best deals. Yes, best of all deals, you can say. Apart from that, the site just at click, yes, just at click.com offers you customizability option. Like you can customize your gadget if it is possible from the end of the company, then you can customize your gadgets accordingly, like RAM, processing, these kind of things we can customize if it is possible from the main company itself. Now let us talk about the gadget we were searching. We were talking about, that is HP Pro Book out here. Let us search about that gadget. So this is the result of our search, and you get to see that it is offering you a bag free along with a condition that is refurbished. Apart from that, you get to see a small description at the bottom out here. Apart from that, pricing and everything has been mentioned along with these things. Now let us talk about this refurbished condition so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand and or certified refurbished products, we can say that these are actually the same the synonyms out there, because refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. What happens in a brand new product, they are directly released from the company, whereas in the refurbished product category you get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now, what is pre-owned gadgets out there? Pre-owned gadgets are nothing else but the gadgets which have been once released in the market, and the user is actually owning that gadget and is reselling it. That is what pre-ownization means. They have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, they have got the same testers, everything is same. Like whatever the brand new specifies, any specification is the same specification or the featuring out in the refurbished or certified refurbished product. Now let us talk about these refurbished and certified refurbished or brand new pathway out there, like how this pre-ownization takes place. And when we talk about this pathway, then it includes a base, mediator, and a consumer. Now, what is a consumer out here? When we talk about the consumers, we can say that consumers and base are nothing else but a common factors which are company and the user. Talking about the base in brand new is always the company. It will always and always remain the constant out there. The constant thing about base is the company. In brand new gadgets, it will always be the company. It can be any company out here, Dell, HP, Ace, Lenovo, any Nokia, any kind of company, any kind of brand which is releasing its gadget, its model for the first time is known as a brand new gadget by the company. Now it is being sold to a marketplace. It is brought up in the marketplace out here. Now what happens is, when it is brought up in the market, then it is named or conditioned as brand new gadget. Now the gadget is being sold to a new user. Yes, now the marketplace has got a user interface out there. The user buys this gadget from the marketplace and you get to have that gadget. Now what happens is, when you have that gadget out there, you get to have a good specifications, everything, you like that gadget a lot. But after some time, we usually get bored of it, or we want to resell. We don't want to use that gadget, in short. What happens is, when we want to resell that gadget, when we are bored or we want to sell it off, then it is brought back to another marketplace, which is the mediator out here. Now this gadget is known as a pre-owned gadget. Yes, now it is not a brand new gadget, it is a pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget, when brought in the marketplace, is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished product after testing and being approved by the site. Yes, if it is tested and verified, if it is not passed in all, or it does not pass all the parameters, or any it fails anyway, then it is not considered at all. It is not at all considered there. Now, when we talk about these parameters, then we can say that these parameters includes a lot of things, external and internal parameters, which we will discuss on. Now, it is brought in the market. Now, what happened? It is verified. It is brought up in the site. Now, a new user wants to have that gadget, and that is brought up from that site. That product is named as refurbished product. Yes, this product is named as refurbished product. Now, talking about the testing sites and all, brand new products, wherever it is being launched, it is tested and verified in different places. Yes, there are a lot of sites for testing, whereas for refurbished product, only and only that site, that particular site will be responsible for testing, approving that gadget, which a user has sold off its gadget to. Yes, user जिस भी gadget, अपने gadget को जिस भी site पर sold off करता है, जहाँ पे भी आप उसको buy करने जा रहे हैं, वो साइट ही उसको टेस्ट करती है, उसको एनालाइज करती है, रिप्लेस करती है, मॉडिफाई करती है, वट एवर इज डन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट. So this is the major difference. Otherwise, you will find the same design, same functionality, same testing, everything is same. Now let us come to the testing parameters, because we know that testing is important. And talking about the testing parameters, let us talk about the what kind of testing parameters it has. It usually have two type of testing parameters, internal and external parameters. So what are internal parameters and external parameters? These are the major classification of parameters which can be analyzed on the basis of softwares or tools required or not. External parameters does not require any software because they can be seen directly through eyes, or we do not require any highly specified gadgets for that. Now, what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing else but the design out there, external design, keyboard, keys intact there, keys working, like whether the keys are working or not. Touchpad is there, the whether touchpad is providing all the touch controls, is it working on the gestures or not. Camera, whether it's clicking a good quality photo or not. Audio out there, jack systems, the connectors out there, USB, SD, audio input out, power jack, these buttons out there, these connectors. So externally, these things like the scratches on that gadget, if you have scratches or not, everything whichever can be seen directly through eyes are checked out there. So you get to have external parameters out there, जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं अपनी eyes से, and you can verify out there. Because the first thing which comes or we check in every gadget is the look, the overall look, and things we check are keys and everything out there. So these do not require any tool, any software, directly through eyes could be done. But it is not same in the case of internal parameters. Internal parameters require a lot of specified gadgets, specified tools, specified softwares, or highly designed softwares we can say. Because these are testing and verifying the internal components, the minute components out there, like the internal processor, core, or any kind of processor it is using, the graphics out there, the resolution, the type of display it is using. If the connectors are not working, then the signal are passing through it or not. Battery is swollen or not, or the battery is providing appropriate voltage or not. So everything has to be checked, like whatever the internal components like memory, the speed out there, everything has to be checked. So overall, all the internal components which are major parts of this has to be checked there. Now talking about these major parts and everything, what would happen if it would fail in any of the part? Well, there are chances that some gadgets might not pass all the tests. What happens is if it can be replaced or it can be renewed out there, then the gadget or that particular part is being renewed or replaced with the original part. Yes, with the original part, it is being replaced, renewed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is absolutely newly like gadget now. Yes, the refurbished products are absolutely newly, like they are packed along with the accessories in a proper bag out there, in a proper container, we can say, or the proper packaging is done out there. So just like the way company releases into the market, it is the same way out there. But what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new, or why we should choose refurbished products? Because refurbished products are really good in pricing. Yes, if you talk about the pricing, if you talk about pricing about these gadgets, then you will get to see that they offer you a good pricing out here, which is pocketable rates. When we talk about pricing, we know that brand new gadgets are actually expensive. They are expensive out there. Whereas you get to see that when brand new products are expensive, as well as everything is done, so you will see the refurbished products are not that expensive. They are quite pocketable. And since they are pocketable gadgets, so you can have a difference in the pricing. So there is a difference out in the pricing. So you get to have a savings out there. Yes, you can save a good amount of saving. Like if you talk about savings, then depending upon the gadget pricing and all, you can save up to 15, 40. Like, there is a huge number out there for savings. Talking about another factor is the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty, then we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty as well as exchange policy. But does it offer the same policy with refurbished? Because pre-owned gadgets we buy from any normal person, we don't get any warranty period. But when we talk about the refurbished products, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 7 exchange policy. Yes. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. That is an additional factor, additional point to this refurbished category. Now, overall, if we talk about then pocketable rates are there, you get to have a good savings, warranty period of 6 months, exchange policy of 7 days out there. So why not try refurbished products then? You can definitely try out these refurbished products. And the site we were discussing, that is justatclick.com. Yes, we were at this site, that is justatclick.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets or favorite model out there. And when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that this site, this particular site, that is justatclick.com, offers you a great range of products under the category of refurbished laptops or the refurbished gadgets out there. Yes, you get to have a large collection of gadgets from top reputed brands. You get to have pocketable rates. You get to have a great savings. Along with that, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Since it's a refurbished website, we can say refurbished gadgets are out here. So you get to have 6 months warranty period also. So do check out justatclick.com out here. Along with that, you also get to see it is offering you free home delivery. Along with that, it offers you money back guarantee and an online support system also. So you get to have an online support system, money back guarantee, free shipping. Now, talking about the shipping, then we can say that at this site you get to have a 48 hours delivery time for mostly UAE parts, whereas Saudi might take a little longer, that is a 1 week time. But if you are customizing your gadget, because this site offers you an option that is customizability option. Yes, the site justatclick.com offers you customizability option. If you are customizing your gadget, then you might take a little longer. You can customize according to your needs if it is possible by the company itself. Yes, if the company has stated about the customizability, then you can customize your gadget. Now, this is for justatclick.com. Description has the link, so do visit out the link in the description box, and you can check out the website for best pricing.